For international climbing athlete Janet Kong, no tower is too difficult to conquer. Every year, Hong Kong's Cheung Chau Island puts up this structure and covers it with buns as part of an annual festival. The traditional event started as a ritual where steamed buns were offered to thank deities for ending a plague. Over the years, it evolved into a bun scrambling contest still held today. Climbers have 3 minutes to race to the top, collecting as many buns as they can on the way. The winner is crowned the king or queen of the bun tower. But what does it take to win? Kong is Hong Kong's only woman to become a pro ice climbing athlete, and she's ranked 6th in the world. She is also the city's latest bun queen. Kong earned her second title in 2024, 5 years after she won her first scramble in 2019. Now in 2025, she hopes to prolong her reign.
今年嘅目標當然希望贏到包山後啦，咁因為今年如果贏到包山後咧，就會3屆包山後就會成為後中後啦咁樣咯。對我嚟講係一個好大嘅盛事啦，跟住敲鑼你又上去啦咁所以嗰個緊張感係一路存在咗喺我心入邊咯。
Days before this year's race, I joined Kong to see how a winner trains for the competition.
一間咧，我哋咧首先咧上咗腳啦，跟住之後咧，盡量咧隻手係保持伸直。咁幾時先至爬下一嚿咧？就企高嘅 moment 就捉下一嚿，就唔好諗住咁樣拉住自己捉下一嚿。如果唔係咧，另外一隻手咧就會食晒你啲體重咧，就會好犀利。就係咁樣啦。你準備好未啊？
我準備好啦。
我 check 多次先。
有啲緊張。
I've had some experience with indoor climbing, and reaching the top of this 15-meter wall took me about 2.5 minutes. But I'm drenched in sweat and my arms feel stiff after the climb.
I'm done. It's really tough.
For Kong, the same climb took less than 30 seconds.
當我18歲嘅時候咧，就正式參加第一次嘅搶包山。而家有好多攀石啊、攀爬或者係攀冰啦，甚至乎都係由搶包山開始先啦。
Kong still travels to compete in climbing competitions around the world. She says her athletic career helps her dispel some misconceptions about the bun scramble.
我聽到最多外國人對搶包山嘅 comment 就係 Why waste the bun? Why waste the food 咯？咁啊都要經好多次嘅解釋，就係嗰啲係 plastic 嘅 bread 啦，我哋會 reuse recycle 咁樣啦。第二樣嘢就會解釋下呢個傳統嘅文化嘅節日啦，講下以前嘅歷史啊。咁所以都係一個契機，可以俾我解釋下香港嘅文化咁樣。佢哋會覺得好 funny，真係好得意啊呢樣嘢。